If you were to ask an AI, what is software testing? What do you think the answer would be, and how would they give you that information? I mean, for an AI model to be able to provide an answer, provide a result to a query, to provide information, they need to check for a lot of data and gather the data to connect everything and to have a direct link between what information they have collected and your question, your query, and how to provide such an answer. What would be the best way so that everybody can understand this answer regardless of age, sex, location. And from my point of view, such an answer is right before our very eyes. It is said a picture is worth 1,000 words. So, what if we would ask an AI what is software testing and they provided us with a picture? Curious how to do that? Well, let's have a look together. I have here a couple of AIs that can generate text or can generate images based on text. So in Deep AI, for example, if we say software testing and then submit it, of course, we need to wait a few seconds until the AI processes everything. And the AI will generate an image for us based, or actually more images based on what we provided. So software testing, if I can see it here, is having a look at a lot of information and processing that information. Of course, you can play around with this and tweak the words, and then based on the words, if you make them a little bit more specific, you can get more and more information. But this is only one AI. I want different approaches. I want an answer. I want to see how AI views software testing, or the answer to what is software testing. In crayon.com, if we do the same, software testing, we will get again a nice image. Do not stop the video. Do not go to the end of the video. I have another link which is a different representation because I want, as I said, to have different representations of the question. And by showing you this, I'm also providing you with the tools so that you can get an answer to other questions that you might have in the future that AIs can answer with an image. Let me just pause the video because for crayon.io, crayon.com, it might take like they say, up to 2 minutes. I'll just start the video again once the images are generated. And there we have it. Now we can see already a similarity. So this image is here and this image is here go pretty much hand in hand. Again, we have the idea of, I would say this is the bug cycle. This is checking for bugs, checking for information. Again, computers. So at least we're good. We're working with computers. That's perfect. Now the last one is, which I want to show you, is a little bit more on the art side. So hotpoint.ai/rmaker has a similar way of creating art. So we just give it the text that we want, and then we can generate an image. We will get an image that is generated for us. Here as well, it might take a few minutes. Let me pause the video until the image is ready. Our image is now ready, and it's really abstract. I mean, I cannot make up anything out of this. However, I can try and make it a little bit different. I should be able to, yeah, to select the style. Okay, let's select Yeah, Japanese art and software testing. Okay, that would be nice. Software testing. We can start the creation. As before, I will pause it and come back once the image is done. And the image has been done for us. Now, this is totally different from what we had before. This is a more abstract way because, as you saw, we have different styles. We have different models that we can use. Actually, for our free tier, we can only use the Hot Point 5. For the DLE Mini, we need a lot more credits, but give it also a go. So to sum up, an image is worth more than 1,000 words, and you now have free tools or free URLs for which can be used to generate custom images based on the text that you input. Play around with them. Try a different query here. Instead of software testing, I know, try software test automation. For each of them, you have also an API, so you can practice both API testing or API calls and AI text to image generation. Let's just wait a second and see what we get from the software test automation. Something similar, okay? But play around with the words, write in the comments if you have any other links that do the same. Like the video if you think that the description of the AI for software testing is good, is something that you also consider. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good one, and bye bye.